Good morning students, welcome back. How are you all? I know you all are fit and fine. So children, as you have finished term 1 exam, now we will start our term 2 syllabus. Okay, so our first chapter is multiplication. Our first chapter is multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. It is short and easy way to do repeated addition. It is a short and easy way to do repeated addition. Now children, the answer of multiplication sum is called product. The answer of multiplication sum is called product. So look at here. Here is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, how much? 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? 4. So our answer is 4. So how we will do this in multiplication? Look at here. 2 plus 2 means 2 times 2. So we can write in easy way 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now look at here, second example. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 is added here 4 times. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So children, 2 is being added here 4 times. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8. So how we will do this repeated addition in easy way, short and easy way, by multiplication. We can do by multiplication. How many 2 is here? See, count this 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 is 4 times. So we can write 2 multiplied by 4. This 2 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is how many times? 4 times. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. Okay. So we can do this repeated addition in easy way by multiplication. Okay, so this is the sign of multiplication. Okay, this cross is the sign of multiplication, and this 8, this answer 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. This multiplication sum is called product. Okay, this multiplication sum is called product. Now children, what you have learned in class 1, we will just recall it. Okay, so you can see here the maths machine. There is a maths machine. In this, we will do multiplication. Okay, so first example, in this, the number goes from the top, and after multiplying, the answer comes into this box, and then it will go to the next machine. Okay, so we will start. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2's are 4. So we will write here 4 in this box. Answer will come from this tab into the box, and this number will go again in this machine. Okay, then 4 2's are 4 2's are 4 1's are 4, 4 2's are 8. So our answer is 8. Okay, we will write 8 here. Then 8. This 8 again it will go to the top of this machine. Okay, then 8 multiplied by 3. 8 3's are 8 1's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 8 3's are 24. Very good. So we will write here answer in this box. 24. Okay, so 24. Again, this number will go to the next machine. 24. Again, it will go to the top of this next machine. So 24 multiplied by 1. 24 ones are 24. So our answer is 24. Now look at here. Next, B. Which number is here? 5. 5. We will multiply this two number. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Then this 5 will go to the next machine. It will go to the top of next machine. Then again performing multiplication, we will get answer in this box from this tab. Okay. So 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Then 10. We will write 10 here, top of this next machine. Then after multiplication, we will write answer here. 10 fives are 50. 10 fives are 50. Okay, 10 fives are 50. Then this 50 we will write top of this next machine. Okay, then 50 multiplied by 1. 50 multiplied by 1. 50 ones are 50. So our answer is 50. In this way, you will do next question. Okay. Now children, look at your multiplication facts. These are multiplication facts. So our first multiplication facts is the product of numbers remains the same even if we change the order. The product of numbers remain the same even if we change the order. Look at here. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Yes, if we change the order, like here is first we have written here 4. If we first write this second number 3 multiplied by 4, here we have changed the order but the product remains the same. Like 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Also 3 multiplied by 4 is also 12. Okay, so the product of the numbers remains the same if we change the order. Second, the product of any number and 1. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Like 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay, so the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Okay, see third, the product of any number and 0. The product of any number and 0 is always 0. The product of any number and 0 is always 0. Like 0 multiplied by 4 is always 0. Like 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. Like this. Okay. So what is our third fact? That the product of any number and 0 is always 0. So children, question number 1. Fill in the boxes to complete the multiplication facts. We have to complete these boxes on the basis of multiplication facts. What is our first multiplication fact? The product of any numbers remain the same even if we change the order. So A is here. 4 multiplied by 7 is equals to dash multiplied by 4. So we have to find which number is missing here. The product of the numbers remain the same even if we change the order. Here only order is changed. Okay, 4 is already given here. So which number is missing here? 7. So we will write here 7. So 7 multiplied by 4 is can write here 18. Okay, but which number is missing here? Here only order is changed. So 6 is already given. Which number is missing here? We will write 3. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, or 6 multiplied by 3 is also 18. Now E. Dash multiplied by 10 is equals to 10 multiplied by 3. Which number is missing here? 10 is already given. Another number is 3. So we will write 3 here. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So we will write 30 here. Or 10 multiplied by 3 is also 30. Now F. Now children, can you identify which number we have to write here? See, 4. And here is 6. So we can identify that another number is 6. So we can write here 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Yes. And which number we will write here? Which number is missing? 6 multiplied by 4. 6 is already here. So we will write 4 here. Okay. Have to find here which number is missing. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 and 4 multiplied by 6 is also 24. G. Next. Dash multiplied by 0 is equals to dash multiplied by 2. This is our third multiplication fact. Have you remember? Yes. Okay. So which number is missing here? 0 is already given. So another number is 2. So we will write here 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, or 0 multiplied by 2 is also 0. So this question is based on multiplication facts. You have to remember all 3 multiplication facts. Okay children? Now children, you have learned table from 2 to 5 in class 1. So we will just revise them. Okay? So table of 2. You have to repeat after me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Okay. Then table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Okay, then table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay, then table of 5. Okay, you have to repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. Children, for multiplication, you have to remember table from 2 to 10 so that you can easily do multiplication. Okay? You have to remember by heart. Now children, question number 2. Fill in the boxes. We have to fill these boxes. So look at here. Question A. 3 multiplied by dash equals to 5 multiplied by dash is dash. So as we have learned in multiplication fact the product of numbers remains the same if we can change the order. So here also the order is changed. We have to identify which number is missing. So 3 multiplied by dash. See here is 5, here is 3. So which number will come here? 5. Very good. Okay. So here order is changed only. Yes. So 5 multiplied by 3. We will write here 3. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are also 15. In that way we have to identify which number is missing. See B1. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to dash multiplied by 2. Look at here. 2 is already given. So which number is missing here? Very good. 9. So we will write here 9. 2 9s are 18. Our answer is 18. 2 9s are 18 or 9 2s are 18. Only order is changed. But the product of the numbers remain same. Okay. See, dash multiplied by 7 is equal to dash multiplied by 4. 4 is here. So we can easily identify which is the another number here. 4. So 4 multiplied by 7 is equals to dash multiplied by 4. 4 is already here. Which number is missing? 7. So 4 7s are 28. Okay. Only order is changed here. D. 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 8 multiplied by dash is equal to 40. So 5 is already here. Which is another number? 8. So our another number is 8. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. What we have to write here? 8 multiplied by 5 because another number is 5. Okay. G. 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 9 multiplied by dash. So we can identify which number is missing here. Another number is 9. 3 multiplied by 9 and 9 is already given here. So what we will write here? This 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 9s are 27 and 9 3s are 27. J. 4 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to dash multiplied by 4. 4 is already given here, children. So which number is missing here? This 10. Only order is changed here. Okay, so we can easily identify from this side. So 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. 4 10s are 40 and 10 4s are also 40. Now children, these are tables from 6 to 10. You have to repeat after me. Okay. Now we will start table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Now, table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Now, table of 8. Repeat after me. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72, 8 10 are 80. Now table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Okay, now the table of 10. I know table of 10 is very easy, no? Yes. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100, 10 tens are 100. Now children, for multiplication, you have to learn table from 2 to 10 by heart so that you can do easily multiplication sum. Okay? Now question number 3, fill in the boxes. Okay, see, look at here. A. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash multiplied by 6. Children, you have to remember multiplication fact. On the basis of that, we have to do these. Okay, 6 multiplied by 2. 6 twos are 12. Okay, so 6 twos are 12. We have to find this missing number. Okay, only order is changed. 6 is already given here. So which number will come in this box? This 2. Okay, only order is changed. Always the product of the numbers remain same. Okay, now B. Dash multiplied by 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 6. 4 is already given here. So which is our another number? 6. Okay. So 6 fours are 24 or 4 6 are also 24. Okay. Now see. 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to dash. So 3 is already here. Which is our another number? 6. Okay. So we will write 6 here. 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 80. So 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 80. Or 6 threes are 18. Either we can write 3 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 3. Okay. Only order is changed here. Yes. D. 5 multiplied by 6. So which is our missing number? 5 is already here. So this 6 is our missing number. Okay. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 or 6 5s are 30 also. Okay. 5 6 are 30. Either we can write 5 6 are 30 or